Hey, let me ask you a question. Would you like me to show you, I mean personally mentor you, stand over your shoulder and guide you and show you how to generate your first $10,000 a month income online from your laptop, and then show you how to turn that $10,000 a month online income into $50,000 a month income for you? If you would, that's great, but there's 3 requirements that you have to meet. Let me tell you what those requirements are. In fact, actually, come here real quick. Let me show you something. So this is the backyard of my new house here in Southern California, Newport Beach. This is my view behind me. So that's obviously the ocean over there, it's Pacific Ocean, and then we come over here, and that's Newport Harbor behind me, you see, with all the boats and everything there. And this is the view, so I got the harbor, I got the ocean, and it's funny because, well, it's not funny, hopefully it's inspiring, right? I don't show this to impress anybody. I did this because I wanted it, but I live in a $25 million house, like $25 million house on the ocean. Like, that's crazy, right? I started when I was 20 years old in my mom's basement learning how to write copy, sales copy, right? And, you know, stuck in that basement, it smelled bad. I blocked a lot of it out, but it was rough. And now I'm here, it's copy, sales copy. The high income skill of being able to write persuasive copy is the key. So if you want me to show you this, all right, again, there's 3 requirements that you have to meet. Number 1, do you hate your job, or do you hate the rat race? All right, do you really do you look at the rat race, get up, like the whole idea of waking up to an alarm clock, working for some boss that you hate, rush hour traffic, coworkers that bring you down, that are crabs, that are low status, that are ducks. You don't want to be around them. You want to live life. You want to be outside. You want to be able to do what you want, when you want, with who you want. Like, if you hate the idea of the rat race, then this is probably a good fit for you. 2, if you feel like you're not paid enough at your current job, you're undervalued, they don't pay you enough, they make you work hard, you're doing menial tasks, tasks that don't inspire you, you're not happy about your work, you don't wake up fucking passionate about your life and the work that you get to do. And you see me turn on because it's like blah, 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 until I start talking about passion and living the life that you want and living life on your terms. So if that's 2, if that's you, they don't pay you what you deserve, fuck them. All right, you're probably a good fit for this too. And 3, if you just want to make some more fucking money, right? Like you're just looking at the bank account, the paychecks, you're like, I just need to make some more fucking money. I deserve to make more. I know I'm smart. I know I'm willing to work hard. And I just need a mentor and a guide to show me and stand over my shoulder and guarantee my success no matter how hard I have to work. And if that's you, then you're a good fit for this too. So if you're a good fit, then come with me. So we got something really important to talk about. All right, so follow me. We're gonna go inside the living room real quick. So listen, I have a mission for the next 3 minutes basically, and that mission is very simple. My mission is to convince you to become a copywriter. Hopefully it's with me, maybe it's with someone else, probably not as good or whatever, but I want you to become a copywriter, to master the high income skill of copy, and here's why, all right? Let me tell you about my buddy Francis, all right? Francis doesn't have a home. Francis lives out of first-class cabins as he travels the world from the Swiss Alps to Brazil, to the beach in Thailand, to the mountains in Chile, to go skiing in Wyoming, and then hang out with the stars in LA for a little bit as he just flies around the world. He doesn't have a home, he doesn't have many expenses, and Francis, makes $100,000 a month. And the only time Francis works is when he's sitting in that big, comfy, first-class cabin of the plane as he's traveling from one exotic destination to another badass destination. It's the only time he works. What is he doing when he works? He writes copy from his laptop. That's it. Doesn't do anything else. He writes copy from his laptop, and that makes him well over $100,000 a month now. That's what copywriting can do. I know tons of copywriters. Most of them make between $500,000 and $1 million a year from their laptop. One skill, $1 million a year from your laptop. That's what copy can do for you. All right, now, myself, I've sold over $50 million worth of products and services online in just a few short years. How? Copy. All right, copy created all of this. And I want that for you too if you're willing to put in the work for it. All right, now, some people think that to be a great copywriter, you have to, I'm walking in circles here, right? But you have to be good at writing. That couldn't be further from the truth. All right? I did some research and I looked it up. You know what I found? If you want to get a writing degree from Yale, it's $66,000 a year. Not for 4 years, a year. That's $250,000 a year to learn writing for a piece of paper that doesn't guarantee you shit. Doesn't guarantee you a great income when you get out of college. You go to someone's job and you interview and they look at your paper, they go, okay, you showed someone else you're smart, but you still gotta prove shit to me, and you gotta kiss ass for 30 years as you work your way up that ladder. Bullshit, all right? That's messed up. So going a different route is stupid anyways. But you don't have to be a great writer. In fact, it's better if you're not a writer, because being good at copywriting is not about writing. It's about being persuasive. It's about knowing psychological triggers. It's about knowing the biases. It's about knowing how to say things in the right order that get people to move, that get them to take action. That's it. That's all copy is. It's simple. It's an art and it's a science, and I want to teach it to you, all right? So here's what I want you to do. If everything I've said to you so far does not appeal to you, then just leave this video right now. This isn't for you. But if it appeals to you, if you're thinking this might be the right thing, then pay very close attention to what I'm about to say right now. Now, who is copywriting for? Who is copywriting not for? Listen, this is not for you if you know that you do better in a 9-to-5 cubicle situation. You need the structure of a 9-to-5, or if you thrive in a cubicle type scenario, all right? It is for you, however, if you need freedom in your life. You can't stand being told what to do by someone else. You need passion, you need fun, you need freedom, you need adventure, and you need a high income at the same time. You need all of it, and you're not ashamed, you're not afraid to admit it. You go, I want it all, and I want it fucking delivered. And that's totally fine with me, because I'm the same fucking way. If that's you, then listen up to the announcement that literally thousands of people have been waiting years for me to make. Here it is. For the first time ever, I am going to teach you, and I'm going to guide you and mentor you and show you my entire system for copywriting, how I've sold over $50 million worth of products, how I went from my mom's basement to a $25 million mansion here on the beach. In this training, I will personally certify you and make you a certified capital copywriter. That means I'm gonna show you how to generate your first $10,000 a month in income online from your laptop, and then turn that 10 grand a month income into a $50,000 a month income online as a certified capital copywriter. Now, this page and this video you're seeing is not available to the public. It is only available to Team Capital VIP action takers like yourself. It's not available anywhere else. In fact, if you don't make it in with us, that's fine. Please don't share this link with anybody. The third thing I want you to know is, in the training, not only will I be personally mentoring you and I will get to know you, but I'll also be bringing on 3 of the world's top copywriters on the planet today, who will also be teaching you and guiding you and showing you. Now, for any of these 3 mentors to teach you copy, it would cost you $25,000. For me to teach you personally in any other situation, it costs even more than that. Here's why I'm doing this. A lot of people are wondering why, okay? Because I've been asked for almost 7 years now to teach this, and I never have. Here's why. I need copywriters. Our brand, Team Capital, we are growing faster than we ever have. I need more copy produced. I do. I need more guys and girls on my staff writing copy under me, mentoring under me, learning from me. So if you get certified as a capital copywriter and you show me you got a knack for this, you got the work ethic for it, I like you, there's a very good chance I may wind up hiring you. I'm looking to hire, right? And you'll get opportunity to make an incredible income working under me. You'll learn under me, you'll mentor under me, and your copy will be seen by millions and millions of people right off the bat. All right, so here's the deal. To get in on the certified capital copywriting system, to be mentored by me and my world-class copywriters, to get certified by me, it's not just open to the public, obviously. You have to apply, all right? So what I need you to do is you can apply right below this video, fill in the application. Your application does not guarantee you a spot. It just means it's gonna get reviewed by me and the other copywriters. If we like what you say, then we're gonna let you know that you're in. And then we go on the adventure of a lifetime, and I change your life, all right, if you're willing to work. The last thing I wanna say, because I gotta get out of here, I actually got some content to film for some other people right now. I wanna say this, copywriting absolutely changed my life. Not that long ago, I was in my mom's basement. I was a college dropout. I was broke, going nowhere fast. Copy changed my life. I was making 6 figures with my laptop almost instantly. Went from broke to millionaire in 9 months, thanks to copy. I love copy. I'm so passionate about it. Some of my heroes are copywriters, living, some alive, some are dead. I need to say this. I need you to know this, all right? I really love copy, like really, really, truly love copy. I love everything about it. I talk about it all the time. It's life-changing for yourself and your family. But I've been so successful with copy because I love it. Because I love being persuasive. I love the art and the science of it. I love that I can type words on my laptop and have money come to my bank account right away. If you don't have that same passion for learning this kind of skill, for learning something that can allow you to just type words on your laptop and then have hundreds of thousands of dollars be deposited into your bank account, if you don't have that same passion for it, this is gonna be really hard for you, and I'm gonna encourage you not to apply and not to sign up. But if you're passionate about that idea, if you're passionate about making tons of money from your laptop, living a life of true freaking freedom, I mean total freedom, total control, taking your financial future into your hands, taking control of your future, being able to make money on command, type some words, get cash. Need cash, type some words, get some more cash. Need some more cash, type some more words, get some more cash. Help people at the same time. If you're passionate about that, like I am, like look in my eyes, it's real, it's raw, it's my truth. If that is you too, then you needed to apply yesterday. You needed to start mastering copy with me a million years ago. That would have been the best time. The second best time is right now. Don't wait on it. Don't let the voices of others, the doubts and opinions of others stop you. Take action now while the fire is in your belly, while it's strong. And again, your application, I want you to know, it does not guarantee that you get in with us. It means we will review it and we will look very closely at it and we will let you know either way. If you're a great fit, holy shit, get ready. You and I are about to embark on the adventure of a lifetime together. And if you're not a good fit, no worries, I still love you. You may never get a chance at this again, but I will do my best to point you in the right direction so I can help you too. All right, so I am Jason Capital. Thank you so much for hanging out with me, being a member of Team Capital, being someone who takes action in a world full of fucking talkers. All right, I'll see you soon. Hope to be mentoring you and maybe even hire you as one of my future copywriters on my team, which would be amazing. All right, so I'll see you soon. Peace.
One of the top 10 most influential men on the planet.
Hey, it's Jason Capital.
Jason Capital. He is the preeminent expert.
Jason Capital has been recognized as a top 100 entrepreneur by the White House.
There's very few people in the world like Jason Capital.
He gets right to the core.
Surrounds you with an energy unlike anything you've ever experienced.